this is Melanie. I wanted to show you one of our most popular succulents. It's known as the baby toes and is native to South Africa. And they're winter growers. So the main thing during the winter time is that you should water the baby toes about every 2 weeks if it's outdoors, and put it near an area which is filtered light, not full sun, or you could put it inside near a bright, well-ventilated window and water about once or twice a month. Now, the baby toes have pretty dainty-like flowers in yellow. We have one in white. And there's other baby toes I wanted to show you with, this one actually has multiple blooms, you can see there. This one's gonna have multiple buds coming out. Now, the best way to grow baby toes is to not overwater them. When you overwater baby toes, they actually will burst. They actually start getting too much water. So they actually, this stem will actually burst or have holes in it. So the best way to water the baby toes is underwater, not overwater. Okay? You can always add water if it's dry. So like right now, I can water this. It's dry. All these stems look nice and full, but not broken. Baby toes is a great plant to give, let's say for a baby shower. You can also add this to your plant collection as well. So it's dormant in the summertime, and it grows in the wintertime. And the flowers might come out, let's say in the fall to early winter. Thanks for watching.